I'm Mike Perotti. I'm the division's production manager here at Marathon Coach. I run the cabinet shop, the laminators, the solid surface shop, CNC, and small parts paint.
My name is Gene Babelis, and this is our family coach. We call it the porthole coach because the porthole windows are making it unique. We've owned several marathons over the years, and we've custom built a couple of them as well. And this coach, Marathon had some craftsmen when they built this.
We have people here that have been here all their life, and they've committed their lives and their work ethics to building the best that can possibly be.
They used especially woods, and they went all the way down. I mean, it's got two different type of woods even in the window sills and stuff. And all of the cabinetry they did, it was all custom made.
We're always looking for the next step that's above and beyond anybody and everybody else. The R&D that we do here, testing on plywoods, we've actually put that plywood into a bucket of water and left it there for 7 weeks. And then we took that product out and we leaned it up against the wall, and we check it when it dries and how much water it absorbed, and see if it bows or curves, anything like that. And what makes the longevity of the coach is we use those kind of products that don't warp, don't bow, so that 10, 15, even 20 years from now, you have a coach that your doors are still straight, they're going to operate correctly, your cabinetry is not going to be warped and twisted. And then with the laminate that goes on these, and the high quality laminate, you are going to have a lifetime finish that 15, 20 years from now is still going to look the same.
We've taken this coach back east several times. I've been to Washington, D.C. twice in it, to rallies. We've been to Florida Keys once in it, been to Texas many times in it. So it's been cross country a few times, several times. As all marathons are, they're stable, they're solid coaches. No problems ever with this thing. And again, it was the uniqueness of the quality that was used in building this. I mean, not the uniqueness, but I mean, there was a lot of time effort put in building this coach, and we've been the benefactors of that. We have 7 children and 17 grandchildren, and so when we go someplace and the kids meet us somewhere, they romp around in the coach, and we seem to have bathing suits, towels, toys, shirts, pants, things everywhere. And it seems like my wife can always find a home for things, at least on a temporary basis. When you custom build a coach, you can go through and take time and find spaces that are usually covered up or built around, and make use of them. This guy did that very well.
Our customers give us the biggest surprises, which is the joy of my job that I love, is I always get to do something different. New, something that flips up, pops out, folds down, and a lot of that comes from our customers. They're really creative, and our own departments, whether it's interior design, engineering, is also very creative.
In fact, I was just having some work done on here in the coach. I opened up the bay downstairs and I found some toys for one of my grandkids that was missing. So yeah, there's a lot of places we can store them we forget about.
The lifetime cabinetry that goes into a marathon coach is the best that can possibly be.